The substrate now enters the refining stage, moving through these automated filters to create the pristine security-grade material. The substrate is compressed and dried between these massive rollers, preparing the material for the intricate printing process ahead. Here at the watermark cylinder station, each sheet of security paper is precisely aligned before the intricate design is pressed into the fibers.
Wound with precision, this master roll of substrate is ready for the next stage of the security printing process.
The engraved dandy roll applies gentle pressure to the wet pulp, a critical step in creating the intricate watermark pattern in the paper. Here we see the multi-tonal watermark and the distinct clear window, crucial elements of the substrate's security. The heart of the machine, the chrome-plated offset roller, precisely mounts the micro-patterned plate. The ink fountain precisely meters the viscous security inks, ensuring vibrant and consistent color reproduction.
The multicolor offset presses run non-stop, ensuring the highest level of security and precision in every print run.
The complex, interlocking patterns are printed with meticulous precision, highlighting the advanced security features of the currency. By altering the angle of the controlled light, the hidden latent image within the intaglio ridges becomes clear, revealing the numeral 50. In this highly automated environment, precision foil feeds are applied with extreme accuracy, ensuring the integrity of the security features. This is the core of the new polymer display, the micro lens array. As you can see, it focuses the light to create a perfectly stable, floating holographic image. As the sheet moves, the semi-transparent iridescent strip shifts from pearlescent pink to a brilliant gold, a key indicator of its authenticity. The laser microperforation unit operates with pinpoint accuracy, firing thousands of localized. The magnetic sensor meticulously scans the dense texture of the printed serial numbers on the textured substrate. As the components flash past, the OCR system utilizes precise green laser guidelines to rapidly acquire and log the serial numbers. Utilizing a specialized white paper band, the mechanism tightly secures the stack of 100 notes before a rapid heat seal is applied. The AGV ensures seamless material flow, navigating the secure packaging area with pinpoint accuracy and efficiency.
Vault access authorized. Sector Gamma clearance confirmed. Proceeding to designated storage bay.